Happy Tuesday. I just came out of the gym rather. I'm rushing home. I still have probably 6 minutes to be at the gym, but I need to rush home because I have a 9 o'clock appointment for my hair and then makeup, and then we head to the, what am I speaking this morning? Head to the place for my photo shoots. Hey y'all, Chantel here for those who are just seeing me for the first time. I'm so excited today. So welcome to this vlog. This vlog is going to encompass everything regarding my birthday photo shoot. So I have my makeup, I have hair, I'm going to show you outfits, and then the photo shoots itself. I've been having photo shoots back to back. This photo shoots, let me even add, it was unplanned. I did not make up my mind until probably last week. Iyoma was always calling me, Iyoma Beauty, she's my baby girl. She was always calling me, trying to ginger me. She just said, you just have to do photo shoot. And also because of the fact that she wanted to make me off as well. She's just so sweet to me, in simple terms. If you don't know Iyoma Beauty, I'll leave her handle on the screen. Go check her out. She's one of the best in Port Harcourt, if not the best in Port Harcourt. If you know me, you know that I like to plan my things. So this last minute thing is kind of throwing me off because my outfit, everything I ordered, nothing has come. But I'm going to make do. I have a dress that I bought from London last year. I haven't even worn it, so I think I'll just use it for it. Simple, but I'll jazz it up with accessorizing. You all will see everything, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, and let's just get into the vlog proper. Ciao.
And it went like,
yo, this is the dress. This is the back of it though. It's just a long dress with side slits right here. Okay, here. I got it from ASOS. It looks pretty good on me. I've never been a pink girl, but I don't know, for some reason I'm gravitating towards pink these days. It looks good on me though. My favorite color still has to be khaki or burgundy, but I like the dress, and when I wear it, you are going to see the fit on me. I'm already late. Scheduled for 9 o'clock. It's currently 9:02. Let me just wear my outfit and hit the road. See my baby pictures. See me. Show me. The exercise I did this morning, these stairs I'm climbing, it's almost as if I want to faint. I'm here for my hair. I have on this two-piece from Shein. Already started. Here, I will leave my inspiration here so you guys can see what we're working with. And when we're done, hopefully the after is the same as what I wanted. It's not be what I wanted versus what I got. I'll be whatever the word is. So yeah, start by Weezy. I'll look at it.
let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel
hair though. So I'm rushing to Yoma now for my makeup. It's already past 12. Hope I can make it before 2. But I'll just call Photoville and kind of tweak my timing a bit. Yeah, I love my hair. It looks good. Y'all, I'm at Yoma's studio. Yoma, say hi. Hello. After 2 years, yeah. The last time it was my that she touched my face. I know, but I'm very loyal. Nobody has touched my face since then. Oh my goodness! So she wants to transform. She has already done my brows. Looks so good. I'll show you all the after. All right, bye. Transformation. Will I wash my face today? God, I beg go. I must film YouTube video today, so after this. Oh, exhaust this makeup look.
I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther.
Yoma, I don't know what you do. How you do it though? What? Wow.
You're not rising. You're not rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life. You and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
I just got here. We've been rushing, like time is just against us, but we're here and it's almost 3 o'clock, so we'll start soon. But I just had to show you the warm welcome that Photoville always gives. Welcome, you're welcome to Photoville Studio, Chantel. She always does this. Hey, she always does this to all customers, so it's not like a Chantel thing, and it's so sweet. Love it.
I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little, I pour out my heart. Little by little here. I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky. No little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little, I pour out my heart. Little by little here. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people will stop and stare. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all I can be. Let me be all I can be. My all.
That's Sarah. Is he here? Where is she going to? Thank you so much. I'm so grateful to every one of you. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah, this birthday photo shoot that was unplanned turned out to be successful.
Oh, your other dress was here.
On my way home now, I want to go and wash off my face, but I feel bad. I don't want to take this makeup off. I had plans of filming, but I am exhausted. I can't even do that right now. I just came to Hyper City to get my yogurt. I sound like Ogum series. My yogurt, but I really came to buy a real yogurt, please. This is what I came to. I came to buy a refill of my Mitch and K. So I'm about going home now. Everyone at Hyper, not everyone, but I got like 7 to 8 compliments. Everybody, you're beautiful. The cashiers, man, you're so beautiful. Even the people that check your receipts, those security guys, one say, man, you're so beautiful. One guy inside, you're so beautiful. I'm like, bruh. But I know. I don't sound conceited, but I know that I'm actually very beautiful. And this look just enhanced everything. I look like such a girl, and I love it for me. Let me give you all one more peek at this amazing, phenomenal look. Yama Beauty, chef's kiss, amazing, superb. I love her so much as a person, and she's blessed. She has blessed hands. And styled by Vizzy for my hair. Styled by Vizzy for my hair. She's such an amazing, amazing person. She came to Yama Studio to even still do touch-up. She's so cool, calm, and collected. Beautiful. She has the best skin. She's just amazing. I'll leave both their handles on the screen. It was just an amazing day. And even Zay Hair Spa, she does hair as well. She has done my hair before. My last year's photo shoot, actually, she's the one that styled my hair. What they call cold shoulder was falling off. She helped me tack it at the back. She was at Inyoma Studio. She's just so sweet. I'm so grateful. And then Sarah of Photoville, if you ever come across this video, I love you so much. Thank you. You're such an amazing person. Just everyone that made today happen, God bless you. Check them out. You will not regret it. I worked with the best team. You know how I do it. I don't cut corners. I like to go for the best every time. So yeah, that's it with this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Let this beauty be your guide. Thank you so much. I love you all for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. Oh, I forgot to mention, my birthday is on Sunday, so if I don't post before then, be sure to wish me happy birthday. Please follow me on Instagram, so when I post these amazing photos, I think I'll post it on my YouTube as well, but check Instagram. Instagram will see it first. You'll be one of the first to see it, and wish me a happy birthday. I need your prayers. I just need your well wishes. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Bye. This time for real. I'm gonna go ahead.